Being rich versus being wealthy is completely different. Rich people, they have money but they don't have time, whereas wealthy people, they have both in this separately. Wealthy people have the more time, more freedom, and more time and thinking capacity, so whatever they want they can do automatically, easily. I mean, wealthy people have lots of the freedom, and they have a comparison more time and more freedom, whereas rich people, they have only money but they don't have a complete time. So you have to focus on creating wealth to make your net worth and your focus to building your wealth comparison to building money. One of my podcasts I talk about, you don't need money, you need wealth and you need freedom. So freedom going to come from your wealth. If you're wealthy, you have more freedom, you can travel, freedom to travel, freedom to support, freedom to everything. I mean, you have to focus on creating your own wealth. So focus on building wealth uh, every single day. You have to focus on the long term.